Today's our topic is reference image, and we will see that how we can use reference images and we can edit our pics in MidJourney. So without wasting time, let's start. So first of all, we will have to do is that we will click on this plus button. After come here, we will click upload a file and we will choose the pic that we want to edit or use as a reference image. We will click this pic, open here. Here we will have to enter or click, just click and our pic will be there. So there is our pic. What we have to do, click on it, this pic, then right click on this pic, copy image address or copy link, both are same. We have to copy link. Now come here, we will type slash, click on imagine prompt. We have to paste our link here of this pic. So with the help of Control V, I will paste here, comma, space. And now we have to write a prompt here. So here is our prompt. So you can see that and you can read cyberpunk color type winter woman, dark hair, light skin, hyper realistic color palettes. So we will click and we will see that what MidJourney will give us result. So here is our pic U1. These are 4 pics 1, 2, 3, 4 mean U1, U2, U3 and U4. V1, V2, V3 and V4. So let's open it in a new tab so we can see the full quality of this pic. So this is pic 1, this pic 2, 3 and 4. If you will click on V1, it will give 4 more variations of this pic. But if you will click on U1, it will give only one pic upscale. So it's all depends on you. If you will click on V4, so it's mean that it will give 4 more variations of this pic. But if you want to click on it, U2, it will give only one pic. It will not let's see here. If you will click any of this, it will give you upscale version. But this will give you variations, 4 variations, and this will give you upscale. Let's click on U2, V2, 4 variations. We want these 4 variations of this pic. So after clicking on it, we will get this result. Let me open this in a new tab so we can see the full quality of this. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want again, click any, need any type of 4 versions of any pic, you have to click on V1, V2, V3, V4. But if you want upscale any of this pic, so you have to choose this pic and you have to click U1, U2, U3 and U4. In this case, I will choose this one U4. So I will click U4. After clicking on it, MidJourney will give us this result. Let's see that in a new tab. Yeah, here. This is the final result. So you can see that we have used reference image and get this type of result. So I wish this video will help you. And if you have any type of question, you can comment and I will reply you.